Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you the manufacturing method of D38999 connector contact and 8-pin 4-core differential signal contact. The 4-core differential signal wire selected in our teaching video is CCRWC18664. The following is the 4-core contact of the 8th differential signal, which has a voltage resistance of 500 Vac and is divided into 2-core and 4-core contacts. Today, I will teach you the 8th 4-core differential signal contact. The contact is copper plated with gold, with a transmission rate of 0-800 Mbps. The transmission protocol complies with the requirements of American Samoa 5643 and American Samoa 5706, and meet the transmission of differential signals such as IEEE 1394B 2002. Characteristic impedance 110I copyright. The number 8 4-core differential signal contact is divided into shell body, insulator, pinhole contact, and tail crimping clamp. Now let's start explaining the installation method. Firstly, the wire stripping treatment should be carried out with a stripping length of about 15 millimeters. Following the definition of wire AB, we correspond to the A end of the wire. After the wire stripping treatment, the aluminum foil and wrapping tape inside should be cleaned, and the wire core should be stripped again. We choose DMCM 22520/2-01 aviation crimping pliers as the crimping tool, and we choose the 4th gear. The definition of installation wire, where the insulator is marked, we define it as the starting point and define it counterclockwise, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. After installing the second insulator, place the installed components into the housing. It is important to note that the 3 points correspond to the protrusions of the insulator component side by side. The tail clamp should be pressed tightly against the insulator, and the wire shielding layer should be evenly distributed around it outwards. Push forward for installation. After installation, use DMCM 22520/5-01 crimping pliers and Y631 mold for crimping. After crimping, use a single blade to remove excess at the tail end.